So looking at Bitcoin from the monthly time frame, we realize that this was our all-time highs and where price actually changed from, creating for us a new price difference here. Once this candle broke below these areas here, so then now this is an important area in which we shall be looking for trading opportunities. But also looking at down, this candle here also created a price difference here, because if you look at the difference between these lows here and then these new highs was around here. The same way the difference between this new high and the recent lows was actually also here. So now we have a defined area of trading, which is here. Now this is where we scale into lower time frames to look for more price patterns. Now there's a principle I'm going to explain to you here. You just have to hang in. So this is on the weekly. If you look at the weekly here, this is a clear price difference candle that has created a difference between these highs and then these new lows here. Meaning this is a strong price difference area and also area of supply. And of course, we had these lows here that push price to the upside when price was prevented from going further up. This area here. So let me just mark it like this. Now we know we are trading, price is going up, but if you look at the momentum here, it's very low. And this brings me to the principle I want to explain. You need to understand the market rhythms. The rhythms of the market actually tell you more. Now, the rhythms of the market are measured in volumes. And these volumes here are in addition to the generic volumes that are brought by sessions, market sessions like London, New York, and Asian. They bring generic volumes that we are all familiar with. And these volumes give market new registrations of highs and lows that are broken. So if you observe this from this generic market rhythm principle, you realize that the market is bullish, but with low volume. This is for the last 3 weeks. Now, we are on the last week of the month, and then you realize that the volume tends to increase towards the last days of the month or the first days of the month. Now we are heading towards the first days and the last days of the month. So meaning if price approaches into this area here, we shall look for, if you get a confirmation, especially on a smaller time frame, you can see here the daily how price is actually going up in a dragging way into this strong supply area. Now coming onto the 4-hourly and knowing that we are on the last days of the month, this is actually how we would trade. What conditions will actually make us trade are the ones I'm going to explain here. So this now then becomes your new, this is definitely our resistance area. But if you notice, this resistance is into a supply area. And this is also, this becomes our new low. Okay? So now the best trading opportunity would be if the market actually breaks this high and then gives us a pattern here and breaks below this, then we will have a trading opportunity. Better still, if the market comes and breaks this within the days and gives us a pattern, then we can have that. So gold, BTC, is actually a very critical price area now, and we just need to now combine the other principle of market understanding, market rhythm in addition to the generic ones, and then this is it. So this is how we are going to trade it for the remaining days. Now, if we see this, then we will trade them. But then if the market breaks this and continues, then we shall forget about that. But otherwise, it is at a very good place, and we just need to be a little bit patient and then trade it. I'm looking at price coming all the way up to here to give us another pattern and then to continue to the upside. But now we want to trade how it is going to come down here. So these are the two areas. So I'm looking at BTC from 73,000 and then also from 90 around here. That is where we have a trading opportunity. Now, if you want to trade this, of course, with us, I will send it in the group when the signal is ready. But that is what we have on Bitcoin.